Thank you, Brian. Our next presenter this evening is a man with a great passion for farm animals who has come to us all the way from Scotland to deliver our keynote lecture, Reflections from the European Union. He was educated at Trinity College, Cambridge, and is a qualified lawyer. He is the Chief Policy Advisor of Compassion in World Farming, the leading farm animal welfare charity in the EU. In 2004, he was the joint recipient of the RSPCA, correct me if I'm wrong, Peter, Lord Erskine Award in recognition of a very important contribution in the field of animal welfare. He leads Compassion in World Farming's lobbying at the EU and the World Organisation for Animal Health, known as the OIE. He played a leading role in winning the EU bans on veal crates, battery cages and sow stalls, as well as a new status for animals in EU law as sentient beings. In addition, he has written comprehensive legal analysis of EU legislation on farm animals and also of the impact of the World Trade Organisation rules on animal welfare. He has written many well-received literature reviews and reports on the welfare of chickens reared for meat, farmed fish, welfare at slaughter, welfare during transport, and the economics of livestock production. He is a member of various groups, including two UK government groups, one that oversees the UK implementation of the EU directive on the welfare of chickens reared for meat, and the other an action group working to phase out the beak trimming of laying hens. He is also a member of the cattle section of the European Animal Welfare Platform, established by the European Commission, and two expert groups on welfare during transport. Tonight, our keynote speaker will be providing us with his reflections from the EU, as I said earlier, in respect of improving the lives of farm animals from a legal and lobbying perspective. With his extensive experience in this field, he is perfectly suited for this role, and we are very proud to bring him here to you this evening. Please, everybody, give a warm welcome to this year's keynote speaker, Peter Stevenson.